Hi everyone. Nowadays we want to attract many things in our life. So, can we attract things by our mobile phone? The answer is yes, we can. Generally, it is the most important thing for us, and obviously, we can't live without our phone. We always carry our phone with us. Generally, we spend most of our times with our mobile phones. So, if our mobile phone will be lucky for us, then all communication will be lucky and our life will be lucky and then all relationships will be lucky. So today I'll tell you about mobile wallpaper. Which wallpaper we should put through which we can fulfill our wishes and desires. We all have some motives in our life. Some people's motive is job, and some people's motive is love. There are many motives like this. How can we achieve them? Generally, what we see, we attract them. So we should see positive things always. If we use our mobile properly, then it can give us everything we want in our life. In our phone, most of us set a wallpaper of our family member and people who are important to us. We set wallpaper according to our priority. Some people keep God or goddess picture, and some keep motivational quotes. Some people keep their own pictures. Some people just add few colors on it. Some keep moonlight, sunlight, water body, and flower. So the point is, when you open your phone, first you see your wallpaper. In fact, what we see most that usually programmed in our brain. By repeatedly saying those things, the neuron pattern of our brain set according to this. So having wallpaper of your loved ones makes you more attached to them. Similarly, if you have beautiful nature as your wallpaper, you will love to travel more and explore places and will like nature more. When you set your wallpaper of deity, maybe god or goddess or any gurus, your bond gets stronger with them. I want to tell you that your wallpaper should be that way you want to program your mind. This is the reverse way of reprogramming our mind. If you have any disturbances in your relationships with your spouse, set your wallpaper with any happy holiday picture with your partner or keep a dancing couple wallpaper. Your relationship will be better and everything will be normal in your life. If you take more stress in your life, then put any good philosophy or motivational quote or any deity picture as a wallpaper. If you want to do job or you want to change your job or you are frustrated in your job and searching a new job, then put a greenery scenery wallpaper in your phone. If you are preparing for government job or want to do government job, put Asuka pillar photo on your wallpaper. If you want to attract a partner in your life or you want to marry and it's too late, then keep pictures of peony flower as your wallpaper. You will get a partner soon. If there is no peace in your home and you are worried for those things, you have any health issues or money related issues, and you want to rid of negativity from your life, then put picture of blessing Buddha or helping hand in your phone. If you are working hard, but you don't get recognition or you want name and fame in your work, then set picture of phoenix in your phone. There are some people they want to do many things in life but they are lazy. There is no speed in their life. So they should set wallpaper of running horses which denotes speed and power. But you should keep odd number of running horses as your wallpaper. If you want success and speed in your business, then keep odd number of red running horses in your wallpaper. Those people can't stand up by themselves. They are dependent on others. They can have beautiful standing lion wallpaper. The way you like to design your life, you should put similar pictures on your phone as wallpaper. Those people for whom success is important in their life, they should put pictures similar to this. You can put picture of crown in your wallpaper. You can see picture of blink if you want fame. What you want should be in the screen of your phone. So when you will open your phone, it will give signal to your brain. This is where I want to go forward in my life. So everything has to be there for a reason. Everything should have a motive. And that's how we should plan our life. Program your mind to achieve and become better version of yourself. I hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching.